I'm normally really good at picking a foundation shade, but today I do think that my foundation is a little tan. This is the perfect time to try the One Size Turn Up the Base Stage White. This is a white powder. It's gorgeous. So I did set my under eyes. Like if you guys see that it's a little bright, I used the pink setting powder, but now that I have this stark white, like let's see what it can do. I'm gonna put it down our nose. What? We got a little fluffy brush. What? Wait a minute. It just looks like I'm gonna be walking around. Just imagine how you look when I have my light on. I'm gonna look like that on an everyday. Wait, this is gorgeous. Hold on. Give a little blend in because I don't want to be doing too much. Under eye. Don't worry about this patchy. I'm sweating right now. His sweat proof is coming, so we're gonna have to test that out. Hold on, let me fix this. You're gonna have this forever. A little is gonna go a long way. And like it just took me from natural baddie to I'm ready to go to the club real fast. Like I was not expecting this. I need to set my face. This is like the powder you never knew you honestly needed. This Stage White is something that I would have never bought. Like never in a million years would I thought that I'd ever buy a white powder. But like if you're really looking to enhance your makeup and just make it look like a bad bitch, because stop, it took me from who done did it to like I'm ready. Wait, it's gorgeous. I was not expecting that. I didn't know what to expect. I hate when I be like, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting, I hate it. No, I just never know what I'm expecting. Yeah, I need more. And y'all, it's like white. Hold on. I'm trying to open it. Package. Oh, shit. I don't mess my thing up. Bum. I gotta messed it up. Oh. Bye.